Welcome back, friends! Ready for another adventure? Today, we're visiting a forest full of young animals on their first day of school. They're about to learn something amazing. Not just how to make sounds, but how to celebrate them too. The sun peeked through the trees. Little animals hurried to the clearing. Their very first day of school. Miss Owl perched on a branch and smiled.
Welcome, everyone, hooted Miss Owl. Today, we'll learn the sounds you make. Let's start with Leo the lion. Leo puffed up his mane proudly. Roar, shouted Leo.
Next came Mia the mouse. She took a deep breath and squeaked, "Eek!" Everyone laughed. It was so tiny and cute. Then Benny the puppy wagged his tail. Woof, woof, he barked happily. The animals clapped their paws and hooves. Pip the parrot flapped his wings. Squawk, squawk, he cried, copying Benny. Everyone laughed. Pip could copy anyone. Then came Dotty the duck. Quack, quack, she said proudly, waddling in a circle. The others giggled. That's so funny! Now, let's hear from Ellie the elephant, said Miss Owl. Ellie lifted her trunk high and trumpeted, "Hoo!" The trees seemed to dance with joy. But Timmy the turtle whispered, "I can't make a big sound." The forest grew quiet. Miss Owl leaned down kindly. "That's okay, Timmy. Show us your sound." Timmy took a slow breath and whispered, It was soft, but gentle and calm. The animals smiled. It made them feel peaceful. Soon, everyone began to make their sounds together. The forest filled with a happy, silly song. Miss Owl hooted softly. Every sound is special, just like each of you. Together, you make the forest happy. The little animals laughed and shouted, "We belong together!" Wasn't that wonderful? Each sound was different, but together they made something beautiful, just like friends do. Remember, little one, your voice matters too. Be proud of who you are, and always be kind to others who are different. See you soon!